So Runway ML has introduced their new Gen 2 in which they have released tons of new features which include a new prompt generator, magic brush, different in video styles and presets, and a very cool lip sync feature.
Created or enhanced using artificial intelligence technologies.
So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and explore a Runway ML features and see how good it has become. Alright guys, so here I am in the home page of Runway ML, and right off the bat you guys can see it is clearly advertising everywhere like bring your creations to life with lip sync video, and now we have the new Gen 2 in Runway ML. So for that you're gonna go ahead and click on try Gen 2, and this will direct you to first of all text or image to video. So over here either you can go ahead and upload your images to animate them, or you can easily go ahead and type in your prompt as well. So this is basically text or image to video generation, okay? And on the left, we have a few more options of prompt, general, camera, motion brush, cinematic, aspect ratio, and presets, which we'll be talking about in a moment. So first of all, let's just go ahead and start with a simple prompt. Like I'm gonna type over here, laughing child under a rainbow. This is a very simple prompt. So you know what's amazing about Runway ML is you don't need any prompt formula, because Runway itself, with the help of AI, if you click on this enhance text prompt button, so it will basically go ahead and take your subject, object, and everything in that and create a perfect prompt for you just with the help of a one-liner prompt. So now our prompt, a laughing child under a rainbow, has been changed into a laughing child with curly hair wearing a bright yellow raincoat stands under a vibrant art rainbow. The sky is brilliant blue with fluffy white clouds and all the important details. And now if you want, you can go ahead and change the details. So let's just say I want to change curly hair to a wavy hair. So I can do that. Wearing a bright yellow, I can change yellow to red raincoat or something like that. So now basically our prompt is following the prompt formula that Runway ML suggests. Okay, so that is really cool. And after that, from this button, you can go ahead and control the motion. You can increase or decrease the intensity of motion in your video. Higher values results in more motion. So if you want to go ahead and want more motion in the video, so it will cause a bit of a deformation. You need to be careful for that. But I suggest you to keep that value as it is, which was 5. All right, this is perfect. And after that, in general, you can go ahead and play around with aspect ratio, which is 720. And if you want 2K, you need to go ahead and upgrade to the premium version of Runway ML. So 720 is fine. And you can play around with seed. So yeah, I basically chosen random seed for this prompt. And over here, you can add negative prompts as well. So which means the things that you don't want in your image. So over here, like, you know, I can write deformation, ugly, breaking fingers, or I can say overexposed background. And I can also say like weird facial expression. Okay, so these things I don't want in my videos. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in negative prompt. All right, so these things are looking absolutely perfect. And next we have the option of camera. So this is a really amazing feature. So now you can specify the moment and intensity of the camera as if you were filming. Okay, so I can go ahead and choose horizontal. So you guys can see over here. So it will give me like that kind of a horizontal motion. It's giving me that preview, and I can go ahead and change the pan motion, which is really good. I can go ahead and do the roll one. So let's just go ahead and do that a little bit. So I'm going to do horizontal. Pan will be a little bit backward, and vertical I want a little bit lower, and tilt moment. Okay, this one looks good. So this will give me like, you know, from this to this moment, which is absolutely crazy. All right. Then we have the motion blur, so which we'll be discussing in a moment. Then we have the cinematic effect. So over here, you have tons of styles. So you can choose between cinematic, abandon, abstract, advertising, anime. So there are lots of cool presets and styles over here, right? So for now, I'm going to choose cinematic. And for the aspect ratio, you can choose between 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, 4:3, 3:4, and the new 21:9 cinematic aspect ratio. All right. So yeah, for that I'm going to choose 16:9, and for the preset, we don't have any custom presets. So yeah, these were all the new settings of Runway ML that I chose you guys. So yeah, now let's just go ahead and generate this 4-second video and see how this is going to turn out. Okay. Okay, so it says the video is queued and it will start in approximate. It's going to take around 1 minute, so you just need to go ahead and wait for a moment. Alright guys, so here we go. Take a look at the results, so keeping in mind all our camera motion like we did, so it provided very accurate results, very beautiful, and yeah, now we have a laughing child with wavy hair wearing a bright red raincoat, standing in a vibrant arch rainbow, and it's kind of a, animated style, so looks absolutely perfect. Alright, and the camera motion, they turned out absolutely beautiful, just the way you want it, right you guys? Okay, now let's just go ahead and take one more prompt, one more example to see how accurate the presets or styles are. We're going to test that prompt through different styles as well. So I'm going to type in my prompt that tiger prowling through the jungle. Okay, so I want to go ahead and enhance the prompt. So yeah, for that, I'm going to click on this enhance text prompt button. Okay, so straight away it's going to change my simple prompt into a very descriptive and complex prompt that will be really helpful for creating AI videos. All right, and the next button, we're gonna simply go ahead and change this camera motion to the default one. And first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and play around with styles now. So first of all, I'm gonna choose the cinematic style. All right, generate a 4-second clip out of that, and cinematic aspect ratio as well. All right, okay, and next I'm gonna go ahead and keep my same prompt and test out another style option this time, which will be this cartoon style, and the aspect ratio is going to be 16:9 generated. So another very cool thing about Runway is you can go ahead and generate up to 6 to 7 videos at a time, which is really helpful. So you guys can see our videos are lined up in queue. One is on 30%, one is on 0%. So yeah, it's going to be done. Meanwhile, I'm generating other videos. All right, so for our next style, I'm gonna go ahead and choose this graphic novel. All right, generate it. And for the last one, I'm gonna go ahead and take this 3D render one. All right, and generate this one. All right, so I have now 4 videos lined up of my same prompt, same everything, but with different style options. So we're gonna go ahead and compare all of these styles and see how beautifully the Runway can generate same videos with different style options. Alright guys, so here we go. Here you guys can see we have now 4 different style options for our same prompt. First one we have is cinematic, so that look really good. Then we have the cartoon one, then the graphic novel, and 3D render. So you guys can see all of them look really different, and it's really crazy. Like, with the help of Runway, these were just 4 examples, but now you can create up to like 40-50 different style options with just a single prompt, which is absolutely crazy, right? All right, now let's just go ahead and generate some more examples. So yeah, I'm really much excited to test out this anime style. So for that, I'm gonna type in my prompt first of all, which is gonna be anime girl with flowing hair running through a bustling city street, and I'm gonna type in this enhanced text prompt button. Alright, so it's gonna change my prompt into a more descriptive one, and now I'm gonna choose my anime style option. Alright, and then let's just go ahead and generate this and see how beautifully this is gonna turn out, okay? Alright, so take a look at this anime style video of Runway ML. Wow, this looks absolutely perfect. So we wrote like anime girl with flowing hair running through a bustling city street, neon signs glowing brightly, cherry blossom petals swirling around her. So yeah, everything turns out really good, and we have a perfect anime girl, perfect motion in the background, and we have like petals swirling and cherry blossom, neon signs. So yeah, this looks really good. All right, so now let's talk about image to video generation in Runway ML. So yeah, now you can go ahead and animate your images with the help of Runway ML. So for that, you just need to go ahead and upload a file first of all. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and take these images I created out of DALL-E a few weeks ago. So I'm gonna animate a few of the images from here and show you the final results. Alright guys, so here we go. So here are few of the results that I created out of image to video generation. So first of all, we have this amazing animated video of this image right over here, right? So yeah, this turned out really good. Then the second one, we have like some kind of a superhero on top of the building, and you guys can see the motion in that. It's not like some crazy motion, but yeah, whatever it did is accurate. We have some kind of like flowing smoke and everything looks good. And the third one, alright, so third one motion is really good. Like looks like some kind of a cinematic motion and a very slight like cloud motion over there. So yeah, Looks really good as well. All right, so now let's talk about another amazing cool feature which nowadays every other AI tool is pushing through its feature list, which is motion brush. All right, so now you can go ahead and choose between the parts in your image to specifically give animation or give motion to that particular area, right? Which is really good. So first of all, for that, because it only, happens in images, of course. So we're going to upload an image or a file. All right, so I'm going to choose an image from here. All right, and after that, just like any other AI tool, it basically gives you 4 to 5 brush options. So you can control a specific area with motion brush over an area to apply motion control specifically. You don't need to be precise, okay? Tap anywhere to begin, all right? So now you can go ahead and choose like 5 custom motions in your single image. First one basically has auto-detected the area, right? Yeah, looks absolutely great. So it has detected all the buildings, like all the ghosts in the images, right? Looks really good, all right? So for the first brush, I'm gonna go ahead and select this person right over here. All right, I'm gonna select this whole person. I'm gonna go ahead and make him move to my left, okay? All right, whatever it is. Okay, horizontal, little bit looks good. All right, and for the next brush area, I'm gonna go ahead and choose this sky, and I'm gonna make it vertically up, all right? A little bit vertical up. And for the third brush area, I'm gonna choose these buildings, and I'm gonna go ahead and make it like some kind of like proximity. I don't know what it is, but okay, let's try this out. All right, so I think these 3 motions are really good. So now let's just go ahead and generate this image and see how this is gonna turn out. Okay, let's generate the video. Alright guys, so here is the final results through all of these custom motions with Magic Brush. So this is the result it turned out with. Alright, looks very good. So now we have our model as subject moving in like horizontal direction, and we have, like, you can see clouds moving in upward direction. We have building moving in some kind of proximity z-axis. So yeah, the motion is really accurate. So this is the most accurate Magic Brush motion that I've seen in any AI tools here. This is a wonderful step in the world of AI video generation, okay? Alright, so the last new feature that Runway has introduced is this lip sync video. So now you can upload audio or record live to generate lip sync videos, which are really accurate as well as per my testing. So yeah, first of all, you can go ahead and type in your script, or you can upload an audio file, record audio live, or create a custom voice, right? So these are a few options that it provides you. Then after that, you can select a voice from the amazing library that Runway ML provides you. So we have like all custom, American, young, feminine, masculine, narration, calm, or like lots of options. Then you can add a face, or you can choose between the faces it provides you, which are like really good. So we have lots of options here as well, okay? So first of all, let's just go ahead and give it a simple script just to test out this new feature of Runway ML. Okay, so I'm gonna type over here this script, which is AI videos are multimedia content created or enhanced using artificial intelligence. This is a little description on AI videos. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and choose my voice from this library. All right, so I'm gonna take this friend.
Well, I certainly appreciate you stopping by.
Okay, Fran looks good. Then we have Tom.
Tom here, and I'm ready to break down today's headlines.
Okay, this one looks good. And from the faces, I can go ahead and choose some. Let's just go ahead and choose this Frank. Okay, this one looks good. This is a very realistic face. And now everything is set up. And now I can go ahead and simply click on generate to generate my AI lip sync video. Okay. All right, guys. So here we go. Here is our final 31-second video out of our script with a person and a lip sync video. So check it out.
AI videos are multimedia content created or enhanced using artificial intelligence technologies. These technologies can automate various aspects of video production.
So check it out, like how perfect and how accurate this is, like, the face gestures, the expressions, the eye movements, the overall, face movement, everything turned out really good. So yeah, this is basically a very good step by Runway ML to create lip sync videos with the help of script, and instead of that, you can add your own face as well and create as many good face lip sync videos as you want. So there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of Runway ML, the new Gen 2, all these new features, all the stuff. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.